Hi, welcome back to my channel Skillset Go and welcome to the Kotlin programming tutorial. And in this video we will learn a new feature in Kotlin, that is function extension. So function extension is nothing but to allow to declare a function outside of the main class. As you can see, in Java or any other language, we will be creating a functions only in the class body. We doesn't create a functions outside the class, but in Kotlin we can create a functions outside the class which will belong to a particular class. So suppose we have a class person, it has two member variables, name, age, and it has a function. So suppose in future if we want to create a function for this class, we no need to write that new function inside this class body. The new function can be written in any other Kotlin file and it can be accessed using the instance of the person. Now let's see how to write a extension function for the class person. So let's create a function outside the class. In this function I want to print name and age, print details. So now we have created a function outside the class, but we didn't mention this function can be called only by the class person object instance. How to mention that? Just mention a class name before this function separated by dot. Now this function can be only called by the person class instances. So now we can print name and age. So we have created an extension function for the class person. We have not changed a class body. Now let's create an instance of person and call this extension function. Let's assign a name. Let's name a channel name, and we have a default age, and let's call this extension function using this person object. So now we are able to call the extension function. Let's execute this program and see the result. So we have got a name and age using the extension function. So this is the main feature, a new feature in Kotlin. We can write this function anywhere in the project in other Kotlin files as well. We no need to write in the same file where the class exists, and we can call this function from anywhere because we mentioned a person. It can be called by the person instance. So likewise we can create extension functions for any other class in any other Kotlin file. So this is all about function extension. I hope you understood what is function extension. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. In future videos, we will learn more concepts in Kotlin programming.